July 9th, right? So we are near at Lake Cebu. So traversing there, you can see the outer part of the falls. Ayun, so maglalakad kami dito. Together with my classmate. Ayan, oh. Wow. The noise. Here's the most dramatic part. We are approaching the falls. Okay, and this is also the way to zipline on the other side. So ayan, so bababa kami dito. So I'll be working on the pathway going to the falls. Ayan, that's my classmate, Engineer Embultorio, the former municipal engineer of Lake Cebu. And as you can see here are the byproducts coming from, of course, their very own products of Lake Cebu. So Falls Deck 2 ang tawag dito. Ayan. So ayan siya. Wow. Ganda, oh. Napakalakas ng falls. It's very dramatic. Wow. Do pang hydro.
First falls siya.
Ah, first falls. So while we are traversing first falls, oo, pakita ko sa inyo ang falls na medyo maggakod siya, pero nami wow, dako nga falls ba, grabe. May galang way manada labaw, no? Turang diri hindi na, no? Ano gihis man?
Daw shell.
Ay, tuod. Wow. Grabe. Ito ang gusto ko. This is the very gift of nature. It's coming from God, of course, our Creator. And it's very dramatic. Yes. Oh, can't believe it. Woo! Pare, video ako dito. Charet. July 9 ba ngayon? 10?
May video mo parang may
So, itong kalakasan ng that's the tip part of the falls.